Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel No Farmhouse. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and on my channel I normally work on my double wide mobile home, but I've taken a little break from my channel to help my mother with her new house. That's what we're going to be showing in this video. We're going to be looking at the kitchen right here, the dining room, and the other little sitting room. In the end, if you'll stay tuned, you'll see how beautiful it turns out, y'all. This is going to be the last video for this room, and we decided, if you watched part 2, you know we were waiting for the couch for the first living room, which is down that little step over here. I'll show you in a minute. But they decided to put that couch that we ordered in the sitting room here, and I'm glad they did that because it looks so pretty. So we need to find another couch for the downstairs living room before I can post that video, but just stay tuned. We're going to show you how pretty this kitchen and dining room turns out. You guys aren't going to believe how beautiful it turns out. But yeah, stay tuned. If you're new here, this was my grandmother's house. It got passed to my mother. This is a 1970s house. But yeah, just stay tuned. Right here, I am working on the steps. I'm going to be staining the steps and painting the front right there of the steps white. It turns out really pretty. This was very budget friendly. Anybody can do it. It had carpet on it. It was ugly. So this turned out really pretty. Alright, so this is the second coat. As you can tell, it already looks a lot better. We're going to let that dry up, and here in a second I'll show you what it looks like with the third coat. And then later on we'll be taking the tape off and show you the final reveal. So me and my mom are getting ready to go pick out the countertops. She ended up picking out this one. How pretty is that? It looks gorgeous in the store, but wait till you see it when we get it home. It is so pretty. They also picked up this beautiful door from Lowe's. It has that farmhousey look. I love it. I want to put one at my house, but we'll see. So here's that beautiful couch that we were waiting for to go downstairs living room. But again, they moved it here. Getting ready to hang up this beautiful light fixture that we also picked up at Lowe's. We were going with the kind of gold vibes, and we love it. I don't think we got enough time. They ended up choosing just a white subway, but it has like a little wave to it. It also turns out really pretty. This is also from Lowe's. In the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. So y'all, if you are part of my channel, you know that this was the buffet I have in my house that I ended up kind of messing up. I was going to just paint it back white, but I thought it would look so pretty at my mother's house. She's kind of doing like the farmhousey, coastal, beachy look. So I'm going to work on this and try to get the look that she was kind of going for. And it ends up turning out really pretty. This was just chalk painted. Then I did a little bit of whitewashing on it. And it turns out really pretty and looks really pretty in her house. And here's the finished product. She absolutely loved it. I think she said it's her favorite thing in her new house. So I'm glad you love it, Mom. I love you.
All right, guys, we're back at the house. We actually we painted this black. They were orange. Sorry, phone went dead for a second. They were orange, so now we painted them black. We got a brand new front door, and we painted around the doors. The windows nice and white, that pretty white. A little pressure washing. Trying to make it look nice out here. But that rather did a big difference outside. And check out this brand new door. Still gotta pull that tape off. We painted everything. Really cool front door. We're gonna walk in. And we changed this up a little bit.
Yeah, that floor been vacuumed 22 times. So, check this thing out, dude.
That's the faucet.
Oh my gosh, wait till you see this in the...
That's really gonna make it pop. Look how good it matches with that light fixture with it. And the gold knobs. Oh, did you see the gold knobs? Did you even pay attention?
It's on report.
Comic book.
Read that.
Now, our chairs are coming tomorrow instead of today. I got the money.
What's wrong?
Look at the video of it.
Alright, y'all, so here's a little recap of what it looked like before. All these walls came down, as you know, and I just think it looks so much better opened up. It just looks so huge in there, and they absolutely love it. So, thank y'all for watching these part 3 of this video. Once we get some more furniture, I'm going to be going right back down them steps in there and finishing that video off for you. I have not forgot. We just moved the couch around, but here in a second, I'm going to show you how gorgeous it looks. But yeah, we will be working on that, so just stay tuned.